Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have my results of the box that I just unboxed. This is part 2, so I'll give you all the numbers and where I think I can potentially sell everything. All right, so this box, let me give you the specs again, was $266.77. It is uninspected returns. I think I figured out where most of the returns came from. I'll tell you that in a minute, which makes everything about $3.75 cents per item. 74 items in this box. So let me give you the condition and kind of what I found. So this is kind of my Amazon pile over here. I've got it, sorry, it's in my kitchen, so now you get to see my kitchen. But these are air compression leg foot wraps. I can make about $25 on these. I've got these vitamin C droppers, serum, $15 a bottle, and they actually were not hazmated. And so I can actually send those to the warehouse. This is a kids lotion that I can make $5, and this is guesstimated profit based on taking out the fees. This is another perfume that I think I can make, but I put an R on it because it's restricted for me to send into the warehouse, but I think I can make about $5 on it. These are they are basically dark brown tanners, and I can make $10 a piece. The reason I have a letter M on here is I'm going to have to merch fulfill these. A lot of chemicals and perfumes and things like that, they don't like in the warehouse, so I'll have to merch fulfill. But $10, and there's no other FBAers, so I don't have to be concerned about that. These are raspberry, some kind of a vitamin drop, $5 a piece. I've got 3 of those, so that's $15. Here is an Aqua Total Body Cleanser Scrubber, $15. It's in great condition. So that one is like a new. This one is airborne tablets, $5. And I can send those in. These folic acids are $3 for each bottle, and they are brand new and still packaged, and I can send those in. This one that I didn't want to talk about on the last video, it's called Horny Goat's Weed, 500. I will have to merch fulfill it because of the chemicals in it, but I can still mail it, $25 for that. This one is a perfume. All perfumes I usually have to merch fulfill. $21 is my profit on that. I've sold quite a few perfumes on Amazon just from my own, house. This is a basically an Acne Cleansing Kit. It's a merch fulfill as well, $15. This one, this is a magnetic therapy set. I put merch fulfill because of the chemicals and the magnets in here. I can make $35 on it, and I put used because it has been open, has been used, but the new ones are going for around $45 to $50. So I figure I can make about $35 with a used one. Maybe I'll have to drop it to $25. These 2 nail polish boxes are brand new. I can make $5 a piece. I'll have to merch fulfill those. Merch fulfill simply means I'm going to sell it similar to eBay. I'll have to ship it myself. I can't send it to the warehouse. This is called the Right Angle. It's like a golfing swing type of arm apparatus. I can make $20 on that. And then these I thought were child-sized boots, but they're actually not. They're just for a specific type of foot injury to stabilize your foot. $10 a piece, and I have 3 of them. So there's $30 right there. And I think that's everything that I will sell on Amazon, either merchant fulfill or warehouse. As you can see, there's not as many warehouse items in here, but there's still money to be made. So after I add up all of those things, I'm around $300. And remember, I said I paid $266.77. So I'll definitely make my money back up on this. So let me just show you what I have left and what's going to be kind of gravy. So I'm going to come over here to the far side and show you a lot of my eBay stuff. I got it all stacked up here on my desk, so just ignore the stuff behind it. But a lot of this had Amazon return labels. So remember how I said I knew where the returns came from? Well, they're basically Amazon FBA returns. There are various different reasons you can get returns. You can get returns because of overstock. They have too many in the warehouse. You can get returns because their particular item hasn't sold within 6 months, and so sometimes people request a return because they're paying too much in fees. Anytime something lasts longer than 6 months at a warehouse, then you're going to pay high long-term storage fees. Other reasons are that it's hazmated or it's a medical device, and so they for some reason have changed the rules and you're no longer allowed to sell that. So every once in a while that happens. So this one, I think I've discovered these are wraps, like medical wraps, but they're supposed to come in an original box, and so I think that's the reason why those got returned. This one's been opened and you can tell it's got oil on the inside, so that's why that one's been returned. This one just simply wasn't listed on there. The whitening kit I put over here simply because the box was just absolutely trashed. There's no way I can sell it. Same thing with these Venus ones, plus there wasn't a lot of room in them. This clock we couldn't even find on there, so if we take it out, take a picture, make sure it works, we may be able to sell it on eBay. These things, just no room in them, and they're also medical. These ones here are medical devices, and so we're not allowed to sell in that category right now. This is an aerosol can. Aerosol cans are almost always merchant fulfilled, but this one there was just no room in it. It's a tiny travel size, plus it's all banged up, so I definitely would not send that into Amazon. I mean, it still works, it's perfectly fine, but it would be more of an eBay worthy type of item. The hand lotions, a lot of the lotions and chemicals and things like that are all basically going to have to be eBayed because of the hazmat. Believe it or not, this talking alarm watch was considered hazmat, so I don't know why, maybe the battery in it. But I bet if I can make sure that it's in working condition, I could probably sell these online. I've got two different kinds, but 3 watches. The Calvin Klein has been unopened, but the box is pretty beat up. And because it's perfume, it's also going to be restricted. And so I'll probably try to sell that on Amazon. I'm trying to see have I missed anything. Some lip balms that I showed you earlier. I've got 3 of these. Those are just not worth it to sell on Amazon. A lot of compression stuff. This one was actually, I think, around $5 or $10, but if you look closely at the box, there's a lot of damage on it, and so I don't want to send it into Amazon at all. So what I'll probably do with the majority of this stuff is any of the compression socks, and these kind of braces and things like that, I'm going to make basically a medical lot. I'll probably throw in the inserts in there, and then I'll probably do like a health and beauty lot where it includes the hair color, the perfumes, the hairsprays, the hand lotions, the Pantene Pro V, and then this purple wig, I actually can sell on Amazon, but it's pretty beat up. Like, it's been smushed to death. And I've got actually 2 other wigs from a Halloween box, so what I'm probably going to do is just put all 3 of them together and have a nice cute wig lot. So I think I've got a hot pink one. This one is purple and white, and another color. So I'll add those together. So that's kind of what I'm going to put on eBay. I'll lot it up, so it'll probably end up only being about 2 or 3 listings, so that'll make it move quickly. I'm hoping to maybe make anywhere from $30 to $50 just on this stuff, so I should be able to. Some things I wanted to just show you. This one looks like it's brand new, but if you've ever been in the store, you know that this pump is always down. It's always locked into place. And so this one has been opened, so I'm definitely not going to sell it at all because it's been opened. And then this one, I was like, oh yay, I can make 10 bucks on it, and it's actually not hazmated, and it's a lotion, yay. And then I was like, wait a minute, opened it up, it's been used. So I'm definitely not going to sell that either. So these 2 will probably just go in the trash, and that just happens when you're buying liquidation from time to time, and that's part of the deal. This one has, it looks brand new, a little bit smushed, but if you look on the side, it's actually completely been open and sliced open. So I could potentially, since all the pieces are here, I can sell it on eBay and simply list it as like new condition, and then I would just simply state in the description that it's been opened, but all of the items are present. And then these right here, bonus ivory soap and all the toothpaste, well, I'm going to keep for myself because we looked it up as a 4-pack. It's not really 4 or 5-pack. It's not really worth a lot, and Amazon is selling it, so I'm gonna never get the buy box. And then when we looked up just 1 box at a time, they're only going for $3 a piece, so I'd lose all my money in fees. So we're gonna have clean teeth. And then here's my big one that I'm really hoping I can make up some money in. This is called Viva La Juicy. It is a perfume. It's in new condition. It's currently restricted for me right now when I use my phone app. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and scan it, see if I can request approval, which I've been approved for quite a few items as of late, simply because I have a good selling history on Amazon. If you're a new Amazon seller, you may not be able to request approval and get it right away, but in 6 months, try again. See if you can sell in that category or that particular brand. So anytime you look up the thing and it says that it's limited, you can always request approval. Sometimes you have to submit from the original manufacturer how much to get or how to be able to resell it, and I usually don't even try those. I just, if I get immediately approved, usually if you're going to be approved, you'll be immediately approved. Like it'll jump to another screen and say, congratulations, you can now sell in this brand. And then you go ahead and put the barcode in again, and it'll show that you can sell it in new or used or collectible condition. So this one's restricted, but if I can get unrestricted and able to sell this, $80 on Amazon if I merchant fulfill it. So I'm really excited about that one. Hopefully I can make my money back, but I'm not losing money. It's just gonna be a lot of work for a little bit of cash. But if I can lot some of these things up, I can make some money. Hopefully this has been helpful. Not every box that I get is a hit it out of the park win, but I can still make some money, and it won't take me too long because not much is going to the warehouse. So I only have to do a few of those things. Then I can merch fulfill the rest and just throw it on a shelf. And hopefully this has been helpful. Uninspected returns, health and beauty lot from bulk.com. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.